Well, to Germany now, where G20 finance ministers and central bank presidents are gathering in Baden-Baden. During the two-day meeting, financial leaders will be discussing a variety of topics, including global trade and how to boost economic growth. It's their first meeting since Donald Trump's US election victory. Our reporter Ira Spitzer is following the event for us.
There are certainly some interesting subplots happening at this meeting of G20 finance ministers and global financial institutions in the resort town of Baden-Baden. And perhaps one of the most interesting subplots is the position of the United States under its new president, Donald Trump. And we certainly heard rhetoric that many would call protectionist coming out of the U.S., things like imposing a border tax on imports and other things of that nature. So that would, of course, make life more difficult for America's trading partners, and specifically countries like China and Germany, export-driven economies, have expressed concern about that position of the U.S. under the Trump administration. And in fact, Germany's Chancellor Angela Merkel spoke over the phone with Chinese President Xi Jinping earlier in the week, where they both expressed their commitment to the idea of free trade. But what will happen at this meeting is the countries will issue a joint statement on Saturday afternoon, and it will be interesting to see if anti-protectionist language makes it into that document, as we've traditionally seen in past years, or whether that changes because of the United States. America's Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin was in Berlin earlier in the week, and he said that America had no interest in trade wars. However, he did say that the U.S. would have to look at its trade relationships to make sure that they were being beneficial to American workers. So something to keep an eye on here.